Top 10 Network Scanning Tools of 2026. Network scanning tools and their key features for 2026. Network scanning tools are software that recognizes various network vulnerabilities and protects against uncommon patterns that could hamper the network system.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
The various tools of networking scanning help in assessing risks and planning the corrective approach to mark the errors and concerns. It simply gives the best solution to tighten your cybersecurity twice as much against a hacker. Thus, picking the right and best network scanner becomes equally important for network health. We have compiled a list of the top network scanning tools, along with their special key features and costs. Examples of popular network scanning tools include Nmap, Angry IP Scanner, and Advanced IP Scanner. The tool lists discussed in the following points are accessible in both free and paid versions of network scanning tools. Table of contents. Understanding the mechanics. How network scanners work. Top 10 best-rated network scanning tools in 2026. Interpreting results and taking action. The ethics and legality of network scanning. Wrap up. Frequently asked questions. Understanding the mechanics. How network scanners work. Before getting to know about the tools, let's first understand what happens when we initiate a scan. All network scanning tools follow a logical process to map a network. These processes help you interpret results more accurately and understand the differences between a simple IP scanner and a network vulnerability scanner. To have a fundamental understanding of these network scanning tools and concepts for professionals, exploring a certification like CompTIA Network Plus is the best learning path. And for a much more in-depth understanding of the subject, our guide on the fundamentals of network scanning can be more helpful. Step 1. Host discovery. The main goal of any network scanning tools is to identify active devices on the network. Ping sweep is one of the most commonly used methods. In this method, the scanner sends an ICMP echo request to all IP addresses. Online devices respond, confirming their presence and the connectivity. But other network scanning tools, on the other hand, use more advanced methods like sending ACK packets to ports since modern firewalls block pings. A response of any kind indicates an active host. Step 2. Port scanning. Once the list of active hosts or devices is ready, the scanner penetrates every device to check for any open ports. Returning an open port suggests a running service like a web server or an email server. For this process, different techniques are used. TCP connect scan. A three-way handshake with each port is a reliable idea, but it is also easily detectable. TCP SYN half-open scan. Sending a SYN packet is a more stealthy one, which awaits SYN ACK response. If the port is open, the scanner never completes the connection. UDP scan. Scanning for UDP ports is a slow and complex task, but this is as important for identifying DNS and DHCP services that the UDP protocol rely on. Step 3. Service and OS fingerprinting. Once the open port is found, network scanning tools like Nmap will try to predict the running service and the system used by the host. This is done by analyzing different ways how a service or a system responds to data packets. This fingerprint reveals the OS and the software version with the port. Top 10 best-rated network scanning tools in 2026. Here are the lists of the best-rated network scanning tools for 2026. Avik is a cloud-based network monitoring and management software that provides the best way to achieve better network visibility and control. This tool also allows users a 14-day free trial. It automates network visibility and IT asset management, clarifies network performance monitoring, and helps in troubleshooting. It has the ability to automate configuration backup and recovery. Easy to navigate the network. Network is accessible from anywhere, keeping privacy and security as its main focus. Develop powerful workflows with Avik APIs. Pros: easy to navigate and use. Accessible from anywhere with strong security protocols. Cons: expensive compared to other tools. Requires a learning curve for new users. 2. Advanced IP Scanner. Advanced IP Scanner is another reliable and free network scanner to examine local area networks plans. one of the most trusted alternative network administrators would consider a scan. The program displays the network devices and remote control of computers, gives easy access to network shares, allows the remote control via RDP and radmin. It performs MAC address detection and transports scan results to CSV. The software can switch on and off computers remotely and scan any device within the network. There is no need for installation.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.
Angry IP Scanner. Angry IP Scanner, or simply IPScan, is a free and open-source network scanner developed for easier and more effective port scans. The tools run on Linux, Windows, Mac OS X, and other possible platforms. Key features. It helps to scan local networks and the internet. The tool is proven to work better with multiple data fetchers. The feature of Angry IP works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can easily transport results into multiple formats. Gives a command line interface. This tool needs no installation. Pros. Works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. No installation required. Cons. Lacks advanced security analysis. Limited automation capabilities. 4. Intruder. An intruder is a vulnerability scanner that identifies vulnerabilities and potential risks within your network system. A tool that demonstrates the risks and helps to prevent data breaches. Key features. It discovers occurring threats and reports on actionable issues. It finds active and unresponsive systems hassle-free. The tool coverage identifies vulnerabilities in the applications together with infrastructure systems and authenticated areas. It has the ability to manage multiple devices and scan cloud-based storage. Provides an automated scanning mechanism for the latest network vulnerabilities. Pros. Comprehensive vulnerability detection. Cloud compatibility. Cons. Expensive for small businesses. Can generate false positives. 5. Manage Engine Op Utils. Manage Engine Op Utils is an IP address and switch port manager with a set of tools and an instinctive GUI to safeguard the network. This network scanning tool is also available in a free version for users. Key features. Use network protocols such as ICMP and SNMP. Can run on Linux and Windows servers. Troubleshoot network issues in a LAN environment. Monitor the network progress, traffic statistics, switches, and networking resources. The features give data on IP addresses, MAC addresses, and DNS names. Provides details on the usage of resources, system configuration, software listing, and viewing configured traps. Detailed insights into IP and MAC addresses. Works on Windows and Linux servers. Cons. Free version has limited features. Setup can be complex for beginners.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.